Introducing the Level 8 Expandable Hardside Carry-On, the ideal travel companion combining durability and style. Crafted from high-quality hardshell material, it offers strong protection while staying lightweight for easy handling. Its expandable capacity allows for extra packing space, perfect for souvenirs or additional items on the return trip. With smooth rolling wheels and a comfortable telescoping handle, navigating airports is a breeze. Inside, thoughtfully organized compartments with straps and dividers ensure belongings stay secure and accessible. Finished in sleek black, it's perfect for both casual and formal trips, with users consistently praising its quality, functionality, and design. Meet the Item Finder, Luggage-Tracker, your reliable solution for keeping track of your belongings on the go. Utilizing Bluetooth technology, this tracker connects seamlessly to your smartphone, allowing you to locate lost luggage with ease. Designed for simplicity, it's easy to set up and suitable for all travelers. Compact and lightweight, it attaches easily to luggage or backpacks without adding extra weight. With a long-lasting battery, it's built to perform over extended trips, and alert notifications ensure you'll never accidentally leave items behind. Introducing the DIY Wearable Air Purifier, a customizable and convenient solution for fresher air wherever you go. Designed with a detachable fan, you can modify and attach it to any face shield, making breathing easier and more comfortable. The built-in fan actively exhausts unwanted odors like secondhand smoke and car smells, creating a fresher environment. With a 650 mAh battery, it charges in just an hour and lasts 2 to 5 hours, depending on the fan speed. Equipped with 15 blades, the fan maximizes airflow, and installation is easy and flexible. Ideal for activities like cycling, running, parties, or Halloween events, this air purifier brings a breath of fresh air to all your adventures. We're constantly working to enhance our designs, and thank you for supporting our innovative efforts to make better products. Introducing the Bluetooth and Fingerprint Smart Lock, the modern solution for secure, keyless entry. Easily unlock remotely through Bluetooth by setting up an administrator and sharing temporary passwords with family or friends. This advanced gym lock also keeps track of unlocking times and supports fingerprint access, allowing up to 15 unique fingerprints. With a durable stainless steel bolt and high-density alloy body, It offers enhanced security with a 99% recognition rate, unlocking in just 4.2 seconds. The built-in rechargeable battery supports over 2,000 uses and lasts up to a year on standby. This small yet powerful lock brings convenience and safety to your daily life, with 24-hour customer support available if you need assistance. Discover the ease of travel with our compression packing cubes, designed to make packing organized and efficient. Compress your clothes by simply using the middle zipper. Just fold, pack, and zip. Made from premium 320D fabric, these packing cubes resist wrinkles and stains, while the sturdy construction and double-way zipper ensure durability for frequent travelers. With a variety of sizes, you can keep everything neatly separated: jackets, sweaters, socks, and more. Not only do these cubes maximize suitcase space, but they also keep your essentials organized for easy access on the go. Make packing easier, more organized, and stress-free with these travel-friendly compression cubes. Introducing the 1080p HD camera adjustable FPV drone. Designed for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos with its adjustable angle 1080p HD camera. Control it easily via the Velcase VGO app, which features real-time FPV video feed and gesture controls for hands-free photography. Perfect for kids and beginners, this user-friendly drone includes one-key takeoff, altitude hold, and 3D flips, making it fun for all skill levels. Its foldable design and included accessories, like a portable bag and two 1050mAh batteries, provide up to 26 minutes of flight time. Enjoy hassle-free flying with stable operation thanks to optical flow positioning, and rest easy with our 24-hour customer support for a great flying experience. This mini drone is the perfect gift for anyone looking to capture amazing moments from the sky. The T1 Translator device offers 2 years of free global mobile data for 40 languages via a non-detachable eSIM card, eliminating the need for extra SIM cards. It features an offline voice translation capability with support for 13 language pairs, allowing you to download necessary languages for lifetime use at no cost. With 4 translation modes, one-click, listen, chat conversation, and photo translation, it's versatile for various travel scenarios. The device ensures ultra-fast, two-way translations by utilizing over 150 servers, though speed may vary based on internet connection. Compact and lightweight, the T1 has a 4-inch HD touchscreen for clear visibility and is about the size of a credit card, making it easy to carry.